First, we need to install Homebrew for managing the installation of other tools. Go to brew.sh, copy the installation command, open your terminal, paste and run the command, enter your password, and hit enter. Next, there are a couple of tools we will be installing with Homebrew. Type in brew install git node and hit enter. This will install Git for version control and NodeJS, which we will need for Gatsby development. Next, we will install a version manager to make it easier to choose between node versions. Open github.com/nvm-sh/nvm. Copy the install script command and run it in your terminal. You can use the command shown from the nvm installation script to get it working now, or you can just reload your terminal. And you can confirm that everything is installed by doing nvm-version and node-version. Now we need to globally install the command line tools for Gatsby. Run npm install -g Gatsby-CLI. This will allow you to run the Gatsby commands needed to create Gatsby sites from starters and compile your site. And finally, we need to get an editor to actually write code in. Go to code.visualstudio.com, download for Mac, then when this is done downloading, unzip the package and launch Visual Studio Code. Then we are going to install a couple of extensions that will make your life easier. Install Prettier for automatic code formatting and cleanup, and install ESLint for linting your code and detecting issues. And you're done.